In this video, we are assembling the Sunflower VW box card. So this box card has one insert. The front, let me slide these pieces off. The front is like this. So it does not have any tabs, but this is the front. Our back is like this. It has the tabs to glue to the front. And these front tabs are going to, you'll see there's, if you draw with your eye an imaginary line from this point here to this point, and that is where you want to take this and line it up, okay? So if you flip it over, that might be the easiest way to get this lined up. And I'm just going to put glue right here on this tab. I'm going to glue this right to there. I'm only going to glue one side, just like I do on all my other box cards. And so again, it's these 2 points, this point and this point. That's your straight line, okay? So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to glue in my leaves that go on the back. And I'm going to flip it over. And this sunflower is for your message on the back. It's optional. If you go with a light yellow, you could just write right on that. That is light enough to write on. Okay, so now let's take a look at the pieces that we have. You will want to lay them out. And I'm going to start with the bumper to help me line things up correctly. And because this just lines up straight to the bottom and goes edge to edge, that one's an easy piece to start with so that you can see where all the rest of your pieces will lay out. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my wheels on. And there is a piece right here for your side mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and get that in place. That's another easy one to see. And your hood pieces are going to almost touch your bumper. And I want to place those so I can see where I want my windshield to be. And I'm going to place my windshield before I start working on the flowers, because it is slightly underneath some of the leaves. And we can go ahead and put these in place. Okay, just like that. Now, there are two small sunflowers. Those come right in here as the headlights. I have put foam tape on my headlights so that they're popped up a little, and I am adding glue to them because these dots have not been sticking very well, and I want to make sure that they stay. I thought I was getting a deal on Amazon, but they don't stick for long, so it's not really a deal if they don't work good. Okay, and now we're just going to line this up. And once I have it lined up, whoops, then I'm going to apply the pressure. And you can see here that these pieces are just coming very close to being over that windshield. Okay, now the sunflowers. So for this piece in the front, you have this one piece that has all three attached. We're going to glue this down in place. And then I'm going to start with the back two sunflowers. I'm going to roll just on the top one, I'm going to roll the petals up just a little. Now do it with the other one. These pieces are all the same, so they're all interchangeable. You don't have to worry about which flower petal goes where. And then I'm going to pop up the center one. And again, I'm adding a little bit of glue there. Now with the bottom petals, I'm not going to roll them up. That's only on the top ones. Now for the top ones, I'm going to roll these up. Offset it from the petals behind. Okay. Now the front and the back of the card are finished, so set that aside and let's work on the insert. Okay. So on this one, I've decided that I'm just going to pop up one of the flowers. So the one in the back, I'm going to do just flat, and then this one, whoops, I'm going to pop up. You're going to put these sunflowers together the same way you did the other ones. I had them put together just to save a little bit of time. So there it is there. Fold the tabs down. Then I'm going to bring my card in, stand it up with my tabs open. I'm going to put glue on this one tab. I'm going to lay it down in here across the back, fold it over to glue it into place. Okay, just like that. I'm going to have to, so my other side is right here on here, so I'm going to put glue on this tab. And I'm going to fold this over to grab onto that tab. And then to close this card, you know, because you have the sides that are hanging over, so you just want to be careful not to bend them. I'm going to put glue here on this one to close it. I'm going to bring this over, glue it to the front, fold it back and forth. And then there is the Sunflower VW box card. Thank you for joining me.